Shalom Aleichem and welcome to our series, How It's Done. Today we want to learn about Megilot, the difference, just few differences between Megilot of Sfaradim and Ashkenazim. If you take a look at a very obvious difference is that Sfaradim have a amud, a stick to the Megilah. According to Sfaradim, it's a requirement. Some hold that reading without a Megilah would not be a valid reading. Some hold that b'diavad it's fine, but lechatchila definitely one should have a amud. The Ashkenazim, on the other hand, have a Megilah without amud. That's how the Rama says that a Megilah should be without the amud. So that is one difference. Second difference is that you'll see obviously in the letters. There's different letters. The way you write each and every letter is different by Sfaradim and Ashkenazim. So if you're buying Ashkenaz Megilah, make sure that the letters are Ashkenaz, what we call Bet Yosef, and Sfaradim is called Valish. Another thing that we should know is a Megilah called the Gra, the Vilna Gaon Megilah, which is the 11 lines Megilah. And the reason it's 11 lines is because the Shemot of Haman are 11, and therefore, since you write 11 lines in Shemot of Haman, there's 10 names plus the first line saying Ish ve'et, so that's 11 lines. And the Gra says that since we don't have a Mesorah, that these letters should be bigger, therefore we need to write, and each one should be on a separate line. So therefore we write the same size letters as the other pages of the Megillah, and therefore the only way you can do that is if everything is 11 lines. Unlike those that hold, there is a minhag like that to write in big letters. So here's how it is in regular Megillah. There is not a Gra Megillah, which is long and bigger letters that will fill out those spaces between the shurot. So some have such an idea to write big in big lines but small letters. The problem with that could be that there's letters, the space in between, which could be problematic. When you have space in between, you leave space in between, it's like a line, you skipped a line and you could write in between. That becomes questioned in halakha. There's something that we considered today common, and that is what we call a Gvil. Gvil is a totally separate type of Megillah that we'll speak about in the next shiur, Be'ezrat Hashem.